In today's video, I'm going to teach you a hidden trick to help stop spam from Microsoft Hotmail and Outlook users, how to easily unsubscribe. This little known method can significantly reduce the number of unwanted emails cluttering your inbox, ensuring a more streamlined and pleasant email experience. Let's begin by first navigating to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once there, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. You'll see a familiar sign-in page where you will enter your login details. Take a moment to ensure that your email address and password are correct, as this will help avoid any frustration with login issues. After that, simply click Next. Upon successful login, you're going to find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. This is the central hub for all your emails, contacts, and calendar events. Keep your eyes peeled and focus on the top right corner of the screen. There you'll spot the settings icon, which typically looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, navigate through Mail until you find the Subscriptions option. The Subscription section is where you'll find an organized list of all the mailing lists you've signed up for, either knowingly or accidentally. This is your key to gaining control over your inbox. Here, on the right-hand corner of each subscription, you'll see the option to unsubscribe. By clicking this option, you can easily remove yourself from any future mailings from that particular sender. Take a moment to go through this list and thoughtfully decide which subscriptions truly matter to you and which ones are just adding unnecessary clutter. But what if you have other spam emails that don't offer an unsubscribe button? Simply head over to your junk mail folder. Here, you'll find the often annoying emails you didn't necessarily sign up for but keep receiving. To prevent these emails from continuing to plague your inbox, you can add them to your block senders and domains list. This powerful tool informs Outlook that any incoming emails from these addresses should automatically be diverted away from your inbox. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken significant strides in regaining control over your Outlook inbox, reducing spam and unwanted subscriptions, and ensuring that the emails you do receive are the ones that truly matter to you. This trick is a simple yet effective way to make your email experience much more manageable. We hope this has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner, more organized inbox.